How to allow or block an app to change system settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on apps. So you will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here, so scroll down and search, so click on app. So after click on app, scroll down and click on change system settings. So after click on change system settings, so if you want to block an app to change system settings, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see app to change setting system is blocked. So if you want to allow an app to change system settings, so turn on this button, you will see allow app and change system notification is allowed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can allow or block an app to change system settings on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.